Hi guys, welcome to Stunasher. So this video is just wanted to tell you guys that if you guys follow a strict proper risk reward trade discipline and do not if you're not going to hurry burry for a trade and just be cautious on your trades, then the possibility of getting profits is always there. So that is why this video I have made. And for example, this video I can show my console straight away, but I have to hide my account number. That is why I took a screenshot of it and put it in paint. So if you guys see over here, in April month, the total number of trades I have taken is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Totally 9 trades only I have taken. And if you see, the third week is completely empty. That tells that I have not taken a trade at all in that week. So totally in 9 trades, 2 have went in loss. And if you see my profit, this is what my profit I have got. And this is only equity. I don't have activated, sir, I have not activated F&O in Zerodha as well as in Upstocks. Only in Fires I have activated this month. Clear. So these two, I'll show all the remaining two accounts also, like how much, how I've traded and all those. But this in Zerodha only I can show the number of trades I've taken and all those. And rest of the other Upstocks or Fires, this option is not there. So I'm not able to show like how many trades I've taken and how many trades in loss. Just check that in Zerodha, I have got 4,000 rupees, like 3,800, and approximately after all the charges, it is around 3,700 only. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is like the profit is small. Do not think that this guy is having very less profit. Why we need to check this guy's account details or something. What I'm trying to say is like my account, my capital is very less. I cannot show you guys like I got 3 lakh rupees or 4 lakh rupees as profit. Clear. So this profit is very less because my account size is very less. And I'm just repeating you guys, what you guys wanted to concentrate is, do not concentrate on these things. Let me hide all these things. Do not concentrate on these things. Just to concentrate on this particular area. You have to concentrate on this particular area. Why? Because among the 30 days, nearly there are eight. You have to remove 8. So it is like 22 trading days. In 22 trading days, I have got one. I have entered in only 9 trading days. 9 days I've traded. What that tells you actually, in 9 trades, if you are able I was able to trade only 9 days because I got my setup on those days only. I did not get my setup or I did not trade on other days because those days I did not get my I did not getting my trading setup at all. Okay, I'm repeating again. Among the 30 days, 22 days were in like market working days. In that, I think 2 or 3 days went in holiday also. So let's assume like 20 days have got as trading days. In this 20 days as trading days, I have traded in 9 trades only, because those 9 days only I got my particular setup. Rest of the days I did not get the setup, so I did not trade. This is what I wanted to tell you guys. There. So focus on your setup. Focus on your setup. Just check whether those trades are happening or not, whether your setup is coming or not, whether your strategy is coming or not, and based on that, you have to take your trade. Clear. So this is how I traded. This is how I went for April month. I have already shared for March month also. You guys can check my Telegram channel to see my March month also. And why am I showing this? I am telling you guys this because I want you guys to follow only discipline that will get you a lot and lot of profit. That will give you a lot of time to stay in market. Okay, just to concentrate on discipline. That is enough. Nothing else is needed. Clear. Now let me show you my other. This is Upstock account. If you see, the gross P&L was around 3,000 and the charges were around 87, and this is around 3,000 rupees. And this is something like this is also like only in equity only, not in F&O. And this is what my profit I got for April month. If you guys see, you can see it is like only I can show like on yearly basis, so I cannot show for a monthly basis. Clear. This is for Upstocks. I need to hide my account number, and that is why I took a screenshot of it and showing like this. Now let's see. I told right, I have Fires and I opened Fires F&O. I have activated F&O, right, and in Fires I do not have any other things, like only Fires I have F&O. If I trade in equity, it will not allow. And in Fires, if you see, my profit, overall profit is around 8,716 rupees. So this is what is my overall profit. So around 8,000 in fires, in 3,000 in stocks, and 8,000 in in 3,000 again in what is that called, Zerodha. So it is around 15,000 rupees I've got profit. I'm telling you guys, this, if you guys see over here, there are some portions which are open, and that will be considered for May. What I'm telling you guys is like my strategy or my plan is completely different. What I am trading is completely different. I trade in two equity account and one in my F&O account. So I would tell you guys to concentrate only on your setup. If your setup is coming good, then you can easily mint some good profit. My fires account, I have started trading mostly in MCX. I'm just defining some strategies, defining I've learned some Elliott wave patterns. I'm just understanding the MCX with what is that called, Elliott wave. So that is why I've started with Fires account. I'll try to post some videos with respect to Elliott wave, so you guys can understand some basics, but more of advanced, like see, to be very honest, Elliott wave, I also thought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will be an Elliott wave. For example, let me draw. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I thought an Elliott wave. But what happens is like where this will come, where this will come, where this will come, where this will come, and what happens if this does not go here and comes back like this, what will happen? All these things are like very very in-depth concepts in Elliott wave, and those things I have learned a lot. So what I'm trying to say you guys is like concentrate on a discipline, but work on one particular strategy and let's see what the result comes. Okay. And for May month, I'm planning for something else, like something else in the, say in the case, I'm planning for some proper setup and with explanation. Like for example, in this April month, I've not told you guys like what all trades I've taken, what all trades I've went loss. All these things I have not covered. Right. In May month, I'm planning to cover all those things as well. So at least in one account, I'll try to cover all those things for you guys. So that's it from my end. Finally follow strict discipline. You guys will be able to make some good amount of benefits. Clear? Thanks, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.